Wish you all a very happy new year. New year means new beginnings, so we'll not be trying a recipe today, but I'll be sharing 15 kitchen tips and tricks that I've learned through the years with you. Before we move into the video, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell next to it for notifications. And most importantly, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment.
Pour a little water into the pan in which you boil milk. This ensures that the pan doesn't scorch and makes cleaning easy. Soaking onions and small onions in water makes peeling them easy and less messy. To finely chop onions easily, cut onions in quarters and remove the yellow bit. Now remove the layers like this, and first slice lengthwise and then widthwise like this. You get super finely chopped onions. You can get finely sliced onions by using a peeler like this one. These give thin slices which cook or brown faster when fried. The best way to peel ginger is to use a spoon. This ensures the least amount of wastage. Removing the skin of tomatoes gives a deep red color to your gravies. An easy way to do this is to put a cross mark on the top and bottom of the tomato. Put it in a microwavable bowl and microwave on high for 2 minutes. Once microwaved, the skin comes off very easily. You can peel the skin and chop it or puree it as per the recipe. Use a bread knife or a serrated knife like this to chop tomatoes. This ensures that the tomatoes are firm and not mashed while chopping. To avoid the dals or rice from frothing while pressure cooking, apply oil to the nozzle inside the cooker before placing it on the gas stove. While pressure cooking pulses like chana or rajma, turn the gas stove to low flame after the first whistle and cook for 20 to 25 minutes. This ensures that the chana or rajma is cooked well and are soft. Peeling the potatoes after pressure cooking is a tedious process. So make a cut around the potatoes like this before pressure cooking them. This makes the peeling job really easy. You can see, you just pull out the skin and it comes off easily. You can forget about overnight soaking of chana and rajma with this tip. Just take the chana or rajma, add it to a casserole. You can use any casserole that you have. Now pour some hot water to cover the chana and close the lid tightly. Let this sit for 1 hour. Now you can see that the chana has softened and is ready to be pressure cooked. To sharpen a knife, use the bottom of a ceramic mug or bowl like this one. Just run the knife like this on the bottom for a few times. The knife is sharpened and now will cut really easily. You can make very thin slices of the carrot using a peeler like this for stir fries and salads. Cut them further and you have juliennes for fried rice or noodles. To extract maximum juice from a lime or lemon, roll them under your palm for 30 seconds like this. Now cut them and squeeze the juice out. Adding bay leaf to your dal and rice containers ensure that they stay insect free for a long duration.
I hope you liked today's video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and comment. I'll see you next time with a recipe video. Until then, bye bye.